Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're signed in and ready. First, open Gmail in your browser or the mobile app. On desktop, click the gear icon at top right. On mobile, tap the menu, then Settings. Once done, select the account if prompted so you change the correct inbox. Make sure Sync and Update's finished. That avoids missing theme options. You'll now access themes or display settings to pick dark mode. This sets you up to apply the visual change immediately and consistently across that device. Now you choose the actual dark appearance. On desktop, click Themes or the Quick Theme selector, scroll to dark or select a black background. Click Save or Apply. On Android or iOS, open Gmail settings, tap Theme or Display and pick Dark. Some phones offer System Default, which follows your OS. If you prefer full black versus gray, pick the black theme for better battery savings on OLED screens. Make sure to confirm so the change takes effect immediately and persists across sessions. Finish by verifying the inbox, message view, and compose window are dark. If something still looks light, refresh Gmail or quit and reopen the app. Cleared cache often resolves stale UI assets. If themes differ between accounts, repeat the steps per account. When dark mode fails, check your browser extensions or accessibility settings that might override site colors. Disable them temporarily to test. Finally, if the problem persists, update the app or browser and retry.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.